Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. So I found an easy to make dough, kind of a crust. I'm going to try to make it and I'm going to put some filling in it, see how we make out. Come follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Okay, so let me start by saying this video is not about the completed project so much as it is about the easy to make flat dough in this video. Just a couple of eggs, some flour, some milk, quarter teaspoon of salt, and you could probably add sugar to sweeten the dough if you'd like. The end result is this awesome flat dough that you can use to put almost any kind of filling in. I chose cottage cheese. I probably shouldn't have chosen cottage cheese. I think now looking back I would have used something more like cream cheese, maybe ricotta cheese. The cottage cheese turned out to be really runny, and the end product, in my opinion, wasn't what I was looking to achieve. But just the same, the flat dough is awesome, easy to make. If you follow the directions of this video, you'll find that out for yourself. So, enjoy. Remember to follow the instructions in the video and use any kind of filling you choose. Well, it actually tastes pretty good. In the future, however, I think I would use another type of cheese like ricotta or maybe cream cheese that's not quite as runny as the cottage cheese. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed making it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, find something to eat. The best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And when the going gets tough, go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. Have a great week.